One of these days, the glory bound train is gonna make the very last road. I wanna be on board when it takes the very last load. One of these days, the glory bound train is gonna make the very last road. I wanna be on board when it takes the very last load. We'll be leaving a sinful world behind. Jesus is the engineer, he's coming back again. Listen to the whistle blowing, coming around the bend. Wah, 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 wah. God knows I wanna be on board when it takes the very last load. We'll be leaving a sinful world behind. And I'll be standing at the station with my ticket in my hand. I believe this train I'm waiting for is bound for the promised land. I wanna be on board when it takes the very last load. We'll be leaving a sinful world behind. Can you hear that whistle blowing? Can you hear that engine roaring? You better get your ticket and get in line. You don't wanna be left behind. I wanna be on board when it takes the very last load. We'll be leaving a sinful world behind.